Welcome to Wizzy Chanel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic about DeepSeek is a game changer. How AI just leveled the playing field. Another day, another AI model announcement. But this one is different. We don't usually cover every new AI release because, frankly, most of them aren't groundbreaking. But DeepSeek and its latest iteration, DeepSeek R1, are shaking things up in a way that could seriously disrupt the AI industry. Today, we're diving into why DeepSeek is such a big deal, how it challenges the AI monopoly, and what this means for the future of artificial intelligence. For those new to AI, a large language model, LLM, is a massive transformer-based neural network designed for next-word prediction. That means it analyzes vast amounts of text data and learns patterns to predict and generate coherent responses. AI models fall into two main categories. Diffusion models, used for image generation. Transformers, used for text generation. AI models don't actually think like humans. They predict the most likely next word based on patterns they've learned from enormous datasets. Training these models usually requires immense computational power, hundreds of thousands of GPUs, billions of dollars, and massive datasets scraped from the internet. This high barrier to entry has led to an AI arms race dominated by a handful of tech giants. Since OpenAI's release of ChatGPT in 2022, companies have been locked in a battle to build the biggest, most powerful models. Their strategy: scale up, bigger datasets, more GPUs, more money. Some companies, like OpenAI, keep their models locked behind APIs and refuse to disclose how they were trained. Others, like Meta, take a more open approach by releasing models like Llama for public use. However, even open models remain out of reach for most people. Training these models from scratch requires massive resources beyond what universities or independent researchers can afford. This limited access means only a few organizations control the cutting edge of AI development. DeepSeek, developed by a small Chinese AI lab, is proving that high-performance AI doesn't have to come with an astronomical price tag. The DeepSeek team has demonstrated that it's possible to train a model rivaling Llama and ChatGPT for just $5 million compared to the hundreds of millions or even billions spent by major tech firms. How did they do it? A combination of efficient training techniques, hardware optimizations, and innovative model structures. Let's break down what makes DeepSeek unique. Traditional AI models try to be generalists, one model for all tasks. The problem: large models with hundreds of billions of parameters require massive computational power. They activate the entire network for every single query, even when most of the model isn't needed for the task at hand. This makes inference, using the model in real time, extremely expensive. DeepSeek's mixture of experts, MO, approach changes that. Instead of activating the entire model, MO dynamically routes queries to smaller, specialized networks within the larger model. For example, a math question is routed to the math expert, while a language-based query is handled by another expert. This drastically reduces computational overhead, making AI more efficient and cost-effective. The result: DeepSeek achieves high performance while consuming far less power, slashing both training and inference costs. Another breakthrough DeepSeek employs is knowledge distillation. This process involves taking a massive AI model and using it to train a much smaller one, capturing the essential knowledge while eliminating unnecessary complexity. The outcome: a high-performing AI that runs efficiently on consumer-grade hardware. For instance, while a standard AI model might require a cluster of high-end GPUs, an 8 billion parameter distilled model can run on a single high-end gaming GPU, making powerful AI more accessible than ever. DeepSeek's team has also optimized the sheer number of mathematical calculations required for AI operations. Traditional models rely on massive matrix multiplications, which are computationally expensive. By streamlining these calculations, DeepSeek significantly reduces energy consumption and speeds up performance. These optimizations mean that what once required an industrial-scale data center might now be feasible on a much smaller scale without compromising performance. If DeepSeek V3 was impressive, R1 takes things to another level. One of its standout features is chain of thought, COT, reasoning. Imagine solving a long division problem. You don't just spit out an answer, you work through it step by step. Chain of thought enables AI models to do the same, improving their ability to solve complex logic and reasoning tasks. OpenAI's GPT-4 pioneered this approach, but the methodology remains a closely guarded secret. DeepSeek R1, however, is fully open source, allowing researchers to see exactly how it works. What's even more remarkable is that DeepSeek R1 doesn't require meticulously crafted step-by-step datasets for training. Instead, It learns reasoning skills simply by being rewarded for correct answers, greatly reducing the need for curated data and making high-level AI training more accessible to researchers and smaller organizations. Silicon Valley is feeling the heat. Tech giants have built their dominance on the premise that only they have the resources to develop cutting-edge AI. DeepSeek proves that with smarter training techniques, even small teams can compete with industry leaders. This shift has massive implications. 1. Democratizing AI. More researchers, startups, and universities can develop powerful AI without needing a billion-dollar budget. 2. Challenging big tech. Companies that rely on secrecy and exclusivity may struggle to maintain their dominance as open-source alternatives rise. 3. Shaking up the hardware market. GPU manufacturers like NVIDIA thrive on AI companies buying massive numbers of expensive chips. But as AI models become more efficient, demand for ultra-high-end GPUs may decrease, disrupting the industry's current trajectory. 4. Fostering faster innovation. When AI development is no longer restricted to a few powerful companies, the entire field can progress more rapidly, leading to breakthroughs in countless industries. With DeepSeek making high-performance AI accessible, we may be witnessing the beginning of the end for closed-source AI models. If companies can achieve state-of-the-art results with just a fraction of the resources, the AI landscape will become more competitive, innovative, and most importantly open. The future isn't about who has the biggest model. It's about who uses their resources the smartest. And right now, DeepSeek is proving that smart beats big. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, subscribe to check out these videos next. See you!